Ever wondered why some people seem to have it all figured out financially while others struggle paycheck to paycheck? Welcome to the world of financial independence. It's a place where your money works for you, not the other way around. A realm where you're not shackled by debt or living in constant fear of unexpected expenses. And guess what? It's not an exclusive club for the wealthy. Financial independence is achievable for anyone armed with the right mindset and strategies. It's about understanding your personal finances, setting clear goals, budgeting wisely, and making your money grow through savings and investments. It's about liberating yourself from financial worry and gaining the freedom to make choices based on what you want, not what you can afford. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Stay tuned as we explore the steps to better your personal finances and inch closer to financial independence. First things first, understanding your personal finances is the cornerstone to financial independence. Imagine your personal finances as the GPS of your financial journey. Without knowing your current location, it would be a bit challenging to navigate towards your destination, right? Well, that's the same with your financial journey. You need to know where you're starting from to effectively guide your way to financial independence. So, how do we do this? It starts with tracking your expenses. This is the key to unveiling the mystery of where your money goes. It's like playing detective with your own money. You might be surprised to find out that your daily coffee habit is costing you hundreds of dollars a year, or that your streaming subscriptions are adding up more than you thought. Now that you know where your money is going, it's time to decide where you want it to take you. Yes, we're stepping into the realm of setting financial goals. Goals give us a target to aim for, a destination to reach, and in the context of finance, they serve as the guiding light for our monetary decisions. Think of it this way. Imagine you're on a journey. Without a clear destination, you might just wander aimlessly. But when you have a destination, you can plot a course, navigate obstacles, and measure your progress. The same principle applies to your financial journey. Financial goals can be short-term or long-term. Short-term goals are things you want to achieve in the near future. Maybe it's paying off your credit card debt, saving for a vacation, or buying a new laptop. These are goals you could reach within a year or two. Long-term goals, on the other hand, are your big picture ambitions. They could include saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or building an emergency fund. These are goals that may take several years or even decades to achieve. But why is it essential to set these financial goals? Well, they provide motivation and direction. They help you prioritize your spending, they keep you focused and disciplined, and most importantly, they bring you closer to financial independence. So how do you set these goals? Begin by identifying what you want. What are your dreams? What are your needs? Once you have a clear idea, quantify them. How much will it cost? When do you want to achieve it? This will give you a tangible target to aim for. Next, develop a plan to achieve these goals. This could involve making a budget, cutting expenses, or increasing your income. The key is to make sure your plan is realistic and achievable. And finally, regularly review and adjust your goals. Life happens, circumstances change. Your goals need to evolve with your life. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So, set your financial goals, make a plan, and start your journey towards financial independence. The next step in your journey to financial independence is creating a budget. A budget, dear friends, is more than a mere spreadsheet of numbers. It's your financial roadmap, your personal money manager, and your ticket to a stress-free financial future. In essence, it's the tool that helps you control your finances rather than your finances controlling you. Now, let's talk about the types of budgets. There are several, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The zero-based budget, for instance, gives every dollar a job. ensuring you know exactly where your money is going. The envelope system, a throwback to our grandparents' time, involves dividing cash into different envelopes for different expenses. It's a tangible, visceral way to control spending. Then there's the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or paying off debt. It's a great starting point for those new to budgeting. Creating a budget can seem daunting, but remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Begin by tracking your income and expenses. Understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. Then, categorize your expenses and prioritize them. This will give you a clear picture of your financial health and help you make informed decisions. But perhaps the most important part of budgeting is sticking to it. Tips to help you stay on track include automating your savings, adjusting your budget as needed, and rewarding yourself for small victories. Remember, budgeting is not about depriving yourself, but about making your money work for you. And finally, make use of technology. There are myriad budgeting apps and tools available that can simplify the process and keep you accountable. They can provide real-time updates, send reminders, and even offer insights into your spending habits. A budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. When you direct your money purposefully, you're not just planning for the future, you're also enjoying the present without the constant worry of financial uncertainty. So, take control, create that budget, and step confidently towards financial independence. With a budget in place, it's time to talk about saving and investing. Now, let's unravel this. Saving and investing are like the twin engines of your financial flight towards independence. They are both crucial and they complement each other. Saving is all about setting aside a portion of your income for future use, while investing is about growing that saved money. Let's start with saving. Why is it important? Well, saving allows you to build a financial safety net. It provides you with funds for emergencies, unexpected expenses, or larger future purchases. It's recommended to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses for emergencies. There are different methods of saving. You can simply put your money in a savings account, or you can consider other options like money market, accounts, certificates of deposit, or even a high-yield savings account. Each method has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it's important to choose the one that suits your needs and financial goals. But just saving isn't enough to reach financial independence. This is where investing comes into play. Investing is about taking some of your saved money and using it to buy assets that have the potential to generate returns. This could be in the form of stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Investing can seem intimidating at first, but with a basic understanding of how it works, it becomes less daunting. The key is to diversify your investments, meaning not putting all your eggs in one basket. This can help spread the risk and potentially increase your returns. It's also important to note that while investing can accelerate your journey to financial independence, it also comes with risks. So it's crucial to do your research and consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. Remember, the goal of saving and investing is to make your money work for you. It's about creating multiple streams of income and growing your wealth over time. The best time to start saving and investing was yesterday. The next best time is now. So let's get started on this journey towards financial independence. So, are you ready to take control of your personal finances and work towards financial independence? Let's do a quick recap of what we've learned today. First, we've discovered the importance of understanding your personal finances. Knowing where your money is coming from and where it's going is the cornerstone of financial independence. Second, we've talked about setting financial goals. Whether it's buying a house, retiring early, or simply having a cushion for a rainy day, having clear goals will give your financial journey direction and purpose. Next, we've explored creating a budget. This is your financial roadmap. It helps you navigate your expenses and keep track of your progress. Lastly, we've delved into saving and investing. These are your tools for wealth creation, helping you grow your money and secure your financial future. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And don't forget to share it with everyone you know. Remember, the journey to financial independence starts with a single step. Take that step today.